Hello everyone, so my name is Elizabeth and the videos I normally film are lifestyle and book related, and if you like those types of videos, please subscribe. So as you read in the title down below, I'm going to unbox an Ulta package, and for this one I'm really excited because if you purchase $60 or more, you receive 12 free sample size items. It says sample size, but there's an item that's the ordinary and it's the original size, so I cannot wait to try that. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Dang, look at all this product. Holy cow. Okay, so I have my Mario Badez.
Wait. Oop. Okay, go.
Mario Badez.
That was Badez.
Oh, Mario Badez.
Oh, Mario Badescu. No, I don't know actually.
Mario Badescu. That's the first product I purchased.
I think it's Mario Badescu. I've heard Mario Badez.
Yeah, I think it is Mario Badescu. Makes sense if it's Badescu though. Put that there. And then my sunscreen weightless liquid.
You can't see it.
Oh, sorry. My weightless liquid mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide. Look at this. Holy cow.
So tiny.
It is. This is a cream I normally use. My Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration.
From First Aid Beauty.
That's right. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. Okay, so these are all the products.
It's blurry.
Oh man. Okay, these are all the products that I received for free. There are 12 items and all. We will count them. If not, we will contact them. Just kidding. If you spend $60 or more, you would get all these products.
Are you gonna remove them?
Yeah. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh my god. Okay, so first thing I see is the Ordinary. This is a hydration serum.
Is that the one I have?
No, it's a different one. This just hydrates your face, and I noticed I have dry cheeks, so I'm gonna just use it on my cheeks.
Oh. Is this the buffet one?
No. It's called the 100% plant-derived squalene. You wanna open it?
Supports hydration.
Mm-hmm. All this is basically like, they were promoting it as...
It's blurry.
Dang it. They were promoting...
Whoa! Wow, they gave you a lot of stuff.
Yeah, 12 items in all. And like I said, they were promoting it like hydration. This keeps all your face hydrated, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, ooh. So this is it. It's a full size. I'm so happy.
That's crazy.
Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, I have the sample IT cream.
So, you can't see it. Oh.
So I was watching a YouTube video, and they said the YouTuber that I watch for her face, he said that this is not good at all.
Wait, why is it not good? Do people break out more?
Because it contains alcohol. And look, they got...
Oh, wait, cosmetics.
Yeah, they're good with their makeup. That's what he said. And then there's another, what is it? First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Ultra Repair. Oh, that's the moisturizer, right?
Yeah. It could... Wait, is it for the hands? Intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Directions apply as needed, head to toe through the day. Oh, that's nice. So girl, there's another sample size that's half of this. Like this big. And that's for the face. Okay, good. I'm happy that I got this hand cream. So, because I've been wanting to take it around. I've been taking my sunscreen. I like it that you're placing it there. It's really cute. This, I heard that's really good.
Can't see it.
Oh, the Hyaluron Skin Essence.
What is that?
You can use it as a...
Toner?
Yeah. My face is gonna look oily. I don't know, I haven't looked through this one, but the next one is the Kate Somerville.
Can't see it. Go more down.
Oops. The Kate Somerville. Or maybe if I do it on the side here, would that work? Oh yeah, that's better.
What is it?
I don't know, let me see. Oh. A daily foam wash.
Ooh.
This Pixie.
Oh, I've heard of them.
I heard that they're not good either.
Oh. So you're not gonna use this one then?
No, I'm gonna find a way to use it. Okay, this is the...
But if it's not good for your skin, don't be using it.
Yeah, I know. No, I'm gonna use it for my body. The next one is a Shiseido Ginza Tokyo.
I've heard of that brand.
Is it good?
Don't know. IDK.
Yeah, okay. Ooh, this is nice. So cute.
What is that? Oh,
Isn't it cute?
moisturizing gel cream.
Mm-hmm.
Is it for your face?
Yeah. Clinique never really did anything for me. It just cleaned my face.
Oh, that's good.
But I wanted it more, you know?
Yeah, I wanted to remove my marcas. So
Yeah.
nothing was doing that.
No. Ooh, so tiny. It's so cute.
Wow, what? This is like cheap. Come on, Clinique.
It's the sample size.
Oh, it's for your eyes.
What?
Can I have it?
I don't know.
Almost done with my eye cream. Look. This is my eye cream.
Oh, did it even work?
No, I don't like it.
Moisturizing eye surge eye. That's interesting. Hold on, let me think about it.
I want to go out and buy some.
This is called Tula Skincare. Have you heard of that one?
No. I need to see like the font and everything.
Okay, better. 24/7 moisturizer, hydration, day and night cream. Probiotics and superfood.
Huh?
I don't know. Probiotics and superfoods. That's weird. Let me show
Well, there is a product in The Ordinary that's called the Buffet or Buffet.
that is, yeah, I'm like, I don't, that's weird.
But it's, I guess, because it has so many things.
Oh.
And so that's why it's a buffet. But I don't know why that one's a food.
Oh, three more. Okay, this one is called Hydro Biotech and the brand is Dr. Brandit. Recovery sleeping mask.
Ooh. Hmm.
Right?
I heard it's like a sleeping mask, like where you sleep with your mask is not good. Because your oils need to like...
Yeah, like...
And it takes up all your oils.
Peter Thomas Roth. Clinical Skincare. Water drenched hyaluronic cloud cream. Hydration moisturizer. Ooh.
What is it?
Face and neck moisturizer.
Oh.
And then lastly, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Mom uses this, no? She uses Elizabeth Arden. It's this one.
Oh, I've seen that before.
Mm-hmm. We'll ask Mom if it's good. And that is it. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you like these types of unboxing video, hit that like button to let me know. Subscribe for more content like this and hit that bell notification to know when I upload. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.